Still wasting your 20s? You wake up late. You scroll for hours. You escape in reels and call it rest. Let me tell you something real. You're not tired. You're distracted. You're not behind. You're just choosing comfort over growth. And if you don't stop now, your future self will hate you for it. Your 20s are supposed to be for building, but they've turned into a loop. Wake up tired, scroll, avoid, repeat. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week into next year. And while you delay, your dream life is being built by someone who started. Comfort feels good now, but it's stealing your future silently. That's the trap no one talks about. Success isn't about motivation. It's about doing it when it's boring, when no one claps, when no one's watching, when you're tired, uninspired, but still show up. You don't need to change your whole life overnight. Just change one thing. Wake up earlier. Journal. Work out. Build something. Every action you take tells your brain, I'm serious now. Do you really want to look back at 30 and realize you spent your most powerful years just watching other people live? Regret in your 30s is the worst kind, because you knew better, but didn't act. Everyone thinks they have time, until they don't. Every scroll is a choice, a trade, a silent agreement to stay the same. You don't need another Monday. You don't need a new year. You need to stop running from yourself. Drop it in the comments if this hit you hard. And if you made it this far, then you've already started. Now go finish something. You get 120s. One chance. Make it count, or regret it forever.